Salam Teka. Welcome to Al-Azhar Cairo Islamic School Banda Aceh. Apple technology has engaged our students to be more creative and confident, and also Muslim character as the inspiration to be a young successful leader in our community and the world.
Students must be given the opportunity to be more creative, logic, and brave to share it. iPad helps students to explore their idea, interest, and potential. The collaboration of the project makes the learning more joyful and interactive.
It's great to see students in demonstrating what they have been learning in a new way that they wouldn't be able to do without an iPad.
Tunjuk dan deteksi pintu nyala. Pintu sejauh 2 meter. Ayun, teks, Fi, Amru bin Ash.
iPad has given us a space to be a problem solver. Through Project Code, Word Problems, we have been aware of the problems that are happening in today's environment. With iPads, we can design a prototype that can be used as a solution to mitigate the problems that will occur. Like mine, garbage sorting machine. This stuff can help us easily to sort any garbage around us.
As teenagers, we have to get to know the legendary stories in Indonesia. Through video, we can introduce the legendary stories in Indonesia to the world with a fun way by uploading to our social media.
I feel this project is so interesting for my friends and I. It makes us better in teamwork. I believe that with iPad, learning process became creative and immersive.
Open files. Scroll to bottom. Tap video.
Apple didn't only make a technology, but also has given students the access to uplift their capabilities and confidence that they needed to become successful leaders in the future. We are extremely glad to have iPad for learning process.
Begged so many times, her parents finally let her to marry